Good evening, folks. So, I just wanted to do a quick video, primarily about the channel, not building stuff, putting stuff together and all that sort of thing. First of all, I want to thank everybody that's clicked the subscribe button. I'm blown away by the support, all the people commenting, and also over on Instagram, where I seem to be doing quite a bit more lately with trying to get the Scrambler finished. But yeah, no, really appreciate the support. We're 280 subscribers now. Should get that ticked over to 300, that'd be great. So there's not a lot left on this build. The main thing that's holding me up is getting the swing arm finished, but once that's done, the rest is just kind of piecing it together. So it should be ready for May the 28th for me to wheel it out in the garden and just sit and have a nice Wainwright and stare at it. But no, in all seriousness, I'm actually going to be on the ride on the 29th of May. Whether the Scrambler's ready or not. If not, I'll brave it and wheel the BSA out, or I might even MOT the Thruxton. But we'll be on a ride. It's arranged by a channel called Helmet Head. He's the guy I bought the Bonneville SE off. I'm turning into the Scrambler. So there's him and his sidekick. So if you haven't checked out his channel yet, well worth doing. Hilarious content. No, sorry, he does deadly serious content. All the facts and figures about motorcycles, deadly serious reviews, performance figures and all that sort of thing. I hear he's trying to rival JD Power or something of that nature, but yeah, well worth checking out. And there's another guy there, another hipster. He rides a street twin or a speed twin. I never get those right around. It's red anyway, and he always wears quite a fetching brown leather jacket. But he'll be there. So yeah, we're going to go up there, do a good ride around the Peak District. But in terms of the works channel on that ride, there'll be myself, hopefully on the Scrambler, if it's done and ready. I hope it is. A good friend of mine, Luke, who you've seen me out on rides with before. So this will be probably the longest distance he's done. We will be camping that night. So have the bikes laden up and ready to go. We'll be doing an early morning set off on the Saturday, I believe. And potentially my dad will be with us as well, and he'll be on his RV125 van that's got a 404 CCM engine in it. So some interesting content to come on that. Should be a good weekend. We'll get plenty of videos out. But yeah, so that's the plan for that weekend. Other stuff in terms of the channel, I need to get back on the MG. My friend who I'm building up with has been busy fettling away and working on things while I've been distracted on the Triumph, but he's getting there. But yeah, we are close to getting that on the road, so I need to get back on that. The C15 and the T140 projects, they're rumbling along. We've stripped the T140 down to bare frame, but that hasn't been filmed, I'm afraid. There are loads of photographs though, so I might do a montage video for that. And the barrels for both the C15 and the T140 have gone to the machinist, and I received word back this morning that they're actually ready to collect. So he's turned those around in less than a week. So I'll be picking those up on Tuesday next week. So we should be able to start building the C15 engine, which is long overdue, and we're going to reassemble the T140 engine as well and get that put together. So those things are coming, and then really I just want to get out and actually start riding the bike. So lockdown's well and truly on its way to being lifted, it seems. So hopefully we'll get the Scrambler finished, and get out there. Got a load of test rides I want to book, get some first rides on the channel as well. But yeah, anything you guys would want to see, whether it's more detail in the jobs I'm doing or other things or whatever it is, just drop it in the comments below. It's good to get your feedback and kind of, you know, produce content that you actually want to see rather than throwing everything at the wall and seeing what sticks. But yeah, really appreciate the support, guys. It's amazed me. I just started doing this on a whim when we were in lockdown as a thing to do to pass some time. But I get quite a few messages now from people who have said that they, you know, they watch the content, they find it helpful, useful tips and just a bit of guidance. And also that thing that anybody can do it, you know. Your hands are no different to mine. 4 fingers and a thumb. So do what makes you happy. That's the key message. And if anybody wants any advice or anything, not to say that I could give it, but more than happy to. Just ask away. Yeah, so just wanted to touch base on that one. A bit of a chat about the channel, but there's loads coming. There's definitely be loads coming, and yeah, some projects I can't mention yet until I've got kind of the go ahead from third parties that are involved. But yeah, the only thing to say, the startup video for the Scrambler, number 1 is pending the swing arm, unless I strap it to the lift, which I could do. I'm avoiding it really. I've been a bit anxious about the first fire up, so yeah, I'm thinking I've got 2 weeks from the moment of recording this to the completion deadline. So I'm reckoning if we can get to 300 subscribers on the channel, I will do the 300 subscriber celebration video as the fire up of the Scrambler. So if you haven't done so already, which I can see from the analytics that most of the guys watching regular, you know, the views are regular, but those that are watching aren't subscribed. So just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Really helps the channel out. Give us a like while you're there, and yeah. In the meantime, take it easy, guys. Thanks for watching.